Okay, so now in last lecture we have seen the electrophilic substitution reaction of quinoline. Now we will see the how quinoline reacts via nucleophilic substitution reaction. So as we have seen that in our previous slides, that pyridinyl ring is electron deficient and benzenoid ring is electron rich ring. So electrophile preferentially attacks and in the on the benzenoid ring, and now we are going to see the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So as pyridinyl ring is electron deficient, so definitely the electrophilic nucleophilic reactions will occur on the pyridinyl ring. Okay, so what are the regiochemistry of the substitution nucleophilic substitution reaction in quinoline is second position or fourth position. Okay, so nucleophilic substitution occurs at either second position or at fourth position. So attack occurs at hetero rather than benzo ring. Okay, they are in NRLA more reactive than pyridines to nucleophilic attack. Okay, so we'll see now how the okay, now the next thing, first reaction we will see now, Chichi-Bevin reaction. So that we will see later on. First we will see lithiation reaction. Okay, so lithium things, and here the presence of electron withdrawing nitrogen atom. Okay, so electron withdrawing nitrogen atom activates the pyridine ring towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. The preferred positions are second and four. Like pyridine itself, the pyridine ring in quinoline is so reactive that even the powerfully basic hydride ion can be displaced as indicated by the reaction we will see on the next slide. So first one here. So here now C6H5 lithium. So here C6H5 benzene ring acts as a nucleophile. So here nucleophilic attack takes place at the second position. So CH bond is getting replaced by this phenyl ring and plus lithium hydride as a side product we want. Now here the reactivity nucleophilic substitution pattern, it occurs via addition elimination reaction. Reactivity, so reactivity towards nucleophiles provided living group is situated at appropriate carbon atom. Regioselectivity, that we have seen reactive at position for which the mesh minor type intermediates have negative charge stabilize on the electronegative nitrogen atom. So nitrogen atom can bear negative charge, so that's why we can say that the pyridinyl ring is highly so susceptible for the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So living group, if for example, if living groups are present on the pyridinyl ring, like hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, NO2 group. So these are, if these such types of substitute this subtypes of such types of groups which we can replace very easily if such groups are present on the pyridinyl ring. So the displacement or substitution reaction, it's very easy, and that we can do with the help of this substitution replacing these substitute this chlorine bromine nitro groups. Okay, so quinoline, so C4 position is more susceptible for the nucleophilic attack and compared to C2. Okay, so we are concerned here only with quinoline. In isoquinoline C1 and C3, here I have given the information of regarding the isoquinoline also. So C1 position is more susceptible for nucleophilic substitution, and the second position which is susceptible, that one is the third position in case of isoquinoline. Okay, so this is the nucleophilic substitution, we cannot say substitution but displacement reaction, and this displacement by leaving any groups like chlorine, bromine, nitro group. Okay, so these things are I have explained over here. Now we'll go for the Chichi-Bevin reaction. So Chichi-Bevin reaction is very famous reaction in case of nuclear substitution reaction. So here replace of quinolines. So nucleophilic attack occurs at the second position by Chichi-Bevin reaction by using strong potassium amide or soda amide in liquid ammonia. So this is the reagent for the substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction, whether we can use sodium amide in liquid ammonia or potassium amide in liquid ammonia followed by the hydrolysis. So these are the reagents for the Chichi-Bevin reaction, and here we can see NH2 minus, which acts as a nucleophile. It gets attached at the second position, either second position or at the fourth position. And in case of isoquinone, as we have seen, first position is more susceptible than the third position. So first position attack occurs easily. So this is the only product of the Chichi-Bevin reaction in case of isoquinone. Okay, so next one, Chichi-Bevin reaction, mechanism of the Chichi-Bevin reaction. So oxidation is required to generate the aromaticity. So here we need oxidizing reagent KMnO4. So first step for amination reaction, Chichi-Bevin reaction, is the treatment of quinoline with soda amide or potassium amide in presence of liquid ammonia at minus 65 degrees centigrade. So we do generate attack of nucleophile NH2 minus, then displacement of this carbon double bond on the nitrogen atom. So it generates the salt like intermediate, and it shows the both place attack, second position as well as fourth position attack, and in both cases the complex has generated, negative and positive charge complex has generated, and we need to induce the aromaticity. We need the oxidation step. So here we have used KMnO4 at minus 65 degrees centigrade for the at second position, and for fourth position amination we need again KMnO4, but reaction condition is minus 40 degrees centigrade. So with the help of oxidizing reagent we can induce again aromaticity in quinoline. Okay, and the same thing here in the case of at the fourth position reaction also. So this is the